Hello and welcome to Possum Kingdom Lake. I'm Brandon with Possum Kingdom Docks, and today I want to show you how to properly work a boat lift. What you'll do is you got a control over here. It says up and down. You want to turn the arrow to where it's pointing to the side you want to go. A lot of people mistake it and they turn it backwards, and what will happen, it'll cause your cables up here to get real loose. And once that happens, you need to pick your lift up, kick your swing arms in, lower the lift into the water. So now I'll show you how to do that. Okay, once you get the weight up, you can come over here and freely kick the swing arms in. You want to make sure that you get all four of them. Okay, now that we've got all four swing arms kicked in, we can lower the lift into the water. And what you'll do is you'll reverse it. You'll turn it to go where it's pointing towards the down. Okay, as you can see, the boat is in the water now. The lift is down. What we'll do is you'll see your cables. Your cables are all tied up and they're nicely done. But a real important thing that you want to pay attention to as you start to lift the boat up out of the water are making sure that your swing arms are still turned in. Should your swing arm kick out, what it can do is get hung underneath your phone, and which can cause a lot of damage. So you'll want to make sure that all four of them are turned in. Those two are. And those two are, so it's clear to come on up. It's clear to come up now. So what we'll do is we'll put the boat back on. motor for a second. We'll set our swing arms back out. We'll come over here and get this side. And here's something that I really want to show you. It's a common problem that we have here on PK Lake. Once we start lowering the lift down, as soon as the feet touch and you feel them touch, you want to let off to ensure that your cable stay tight and you have no slack. So let's lower it down. Okay, we're done. That's how you properly work a boat, a lift, in order to keep your cable straight and making sure that you've got all your swing arms clear of obstruction coming into the funnel. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it helps you, and if you ever need anything, please always feel free and call Possum Kingdom Docks at 940-779-3800. Thank you and have a great day.